Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to unbox in the upcoming weeks, at least for the next 2 weeks. So here it is. So we have some Q case from Hot Wheels. I know this one is the super treasure hunt, but this one is not exactly the super treasure hunt. I don't have it. I'm lucky enough to at least get this many from the Q case. So that's it from the Q case, and we do have few Tomicas. I'm seeing a lot of love for Tomicas. Personally, I do love Tomicas more than Hot Wheels, specifically on the price range. And we are going to unbox some mini GT as well. And last but not least, one of my favorites, the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo. And this one was not easy to get, and this costed around like 1600 rupees if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that's it guys. So stay tuned for the videos for the upcoming 2 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.